I got in my car and went down to the bar to relax from a full working day. And while drinking my beer, I happened to hear this New York banker type say that our country's all wrong and that we don't belong in affairs that are so far away. And so I pushed back my chair and I stood up right there and made sure the whole bar heard me say, I'm totally gay for America. I'm totally gay for the US of A. From the east to the west, from the north to the south, I'd gladly bend down and take Florida in my mouth. I'd tongue kiss Mount Rushmore and drop my pants to my waist, then take the Washington Monument all the way to its base. There ain't a lot of things that make me feel this way, but this country of mine makes me totally gay. Now I know things ain't right. It's on the news every night and in the papers almost every day. I wanna hug Uncle Sam, caress his hair with my hand, and let him know everything is okay. Maybe give him a quick peck at the nape of his neck and rub his shoulders till his cares went away. Trace the curves of his thighs and look into his eyes and see if he wants to go hit the hay. 'Cause I'm totally gay for America. I'm totally gay for the US of A. I know we could never get married, but he never asked me anyway, 'cause it would undermine the family. I know that's what he'd say, but we could keep it a secret and continue on that way, and I'd be faithful and loyal till he threw me away. There ain't a lot of things that make me feel this way, but this country of mine